10 Reasons Why Many Educated People Are Poor. Insights from Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest individuals to ever walk the planet, also happens to be one of the humblest and wisest when it comes to financial education. Often called the Oracle of Omaha, Buffett's principles go far beyond stock investments. They offer life-altering financial lessons for anyone who wants to avoid common pitfalls and build true wealth. In today's video, we will explore his insights, focusing on the 10 reasons why many educated people remain poor, despite their degrees and intelligence. Whether you're a young entrepreneur just starting out or someone eager to reshape your financial path, Warren Buffett's ideas will inspire and guide you toward making smarter, wealth-conscious decisions starting today. Let's dive into each point, breaking down these reasons and finding the actionable wisdom you need to secure your financial freedom. Education is often heralded as the pathway to success, and let's be honest, it does open doors. But why, then, do so many educated people struggle financially? Buffett's insights reveal that while formal education provides intellectual knowledge, it often fails to teach the practical hands-on skills needed to build, sustain, and grow wealth. Degrees may teach you about theories, but they won't teach you how to manage your money, make profitable investments, or master the art of patience and discipline that wealth building demands. Let's uncover the 10 most common reasons Buffett observed that explain this phenomenon. The first and most critical reason is a lack of real financial education. Schools teach you how to analyze literature, solve mathematical equations, and understand scientific theories, but they often ignore basic financial principles like budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. Buffett believes that financial literacy is just as important as academic knowledge. Without it, even high earners can lose everything due to poor money decisions. The solution? Take charge of your financial education, read books, watch videos, and never stop learning about how wealth works. Many people assume that their degree is a golden ticket to success. Buffett, however, emphasizes that practical knowledge and real-world skills are far more important than simply holding prestigious titles. Education is valuable, but knowing how to apply what you've learned matters more. Buffett himself is a lifelong student, not of degrees but of life's lessons. He constantly reads, learns, observes markets, and looks for ways to improve his strategies. The lesson to young entrepreneurs: never stop developing practical skills. One of Buffett's most famous teachings is, do not save what is left after spending. Instead, spend what is left after saving. Many educated people fail to embrace this concept. Instead, they spend recklessly on appearances or lifestyle upgrades simply because of their income level or social status. Buffett sets an example by living a famously frugal lifestyle despite his billions. You don't need to drive the fanciest car or buy the biggest house to find happiness. Prioritize saving and investing ahead of spending to stay ahead financially. Most people think earning more money is the key to wealth, but Buffett teaches that wealth building requires a strong investment mindset. It's not what you make, but what you grow that counts. Educated individuals often neglect this mindset, focusing solely on how much they need to earn instead of how to make their money work for them. Buffett famously started investing at a very young age, letting the power of compounding work its magic. No matter how small, start investing today. You'll thank yourself years from now. Patience is a virtue, and nowhere is this truer than in building wealth. Many educated people expect immediate results and end up chasing short-term rewards like high-paying jobs, flashy side gigs, or risky investments promising quick returns. Buffett's wisdom? Wealth is built over decades, not days. By focusing on long-term value rather than instant gratification, you set yourself up for sustainable financial growth. Risk is often portrayed as something to avoid, but Warren Buffett sees calculated risk-taking as a necessity for wealth building. Unfortunately, many educated individuals avoid risks altogether, preferring secure yet stagnant financial choices. Buffett teaches us to differentiate between reckless risks and calculated ones. By embracing opportunities with foresight, even young entrepreneurs can achieve extraordinary results without falling into fear-based decision-making. Success is the sum of small habits repeated daily. Without discipline in saving, tracking expenses, and continuously improving their knowledge, even the best educated individuals can fail financially. Buffett himself is a testament to discipline, maintaining consistency in his work and investments. He famously spends hours reading every day and makes disciplined decisions, even in periods of uncertainty. For young entrepreneurs, building wealth begins with building disciplined habits. We live in an age of keeping up with the latest trends. Whether it's obsessing over the newest tech gadgets or blindly following trending investments, this behavior rarely leads to wealth. Buffett advises us to focus on substance over style and fads. Buffett himself steers clear of trends and sticks to areas where he holds expertise, often called his circle of competence. Similarly, focus on the areas where you can create value and meaningful opportunities instead of succumbing to shallow trends. In the pursuit of financial success, people often spread themselves too thin. They start several projects or businesses without focusing deeply enough on what truly matters, leading to burnout or failure. Buffett often reminds us, the difference between successful people and very successful people is that very successful people say no to almost everything. Prioritize your top goals and dedicate your energy to mastering them. The final reason why many educated people remain poor is their reluctance to keep learning after they've graduated. Buffett, who reads hundreds of pages a day, views learning as a lifelong activity. He believes there is always more to learn, no matter how much you already know. As a young entrepreneur, commit to a growth mindset. Constantly seek out opportunities to improve through books, videos, mentorships, and networking. Remember, the more you learn, the more you'll earn. Throughout his career, Warren Buffett has demonstrated that wealth is not about luck or intelligence. It's about choices, habits, and a willingness to embrace the principles of simplicity, focus, and long-term vision. Here are a few of the key lessons from his approach. Simplicity wins. Buffett has always advised against overcomplicating investments. Stick to what you understand and believe in. Value creation over fame. Instead of aiming to look successful, strive to create lasting value for others. Invest consistently. Start small, but start. Time is the most valuable asset in investing. Throughout the video, we showcase images of Buffett during his iconic speeches, mentoring sessions, and moments at financial meetings. These visuals serve as a powerful reminder that even the greatest success stories come from applying simple, timeless principles, not from chasing trends or shortcuts. As you step forward on your financial journey, ask yourself these key questions. Are you investing wisely in assets and not liabilities? Have you embraced the power of compounding by starting early? Are you prioritizing long-term stability over short-term thrills? Are your daily habits aligned with the life you envision 10, 20, or even 50 years from now? Warren Buffett's insights are a roadmap, but they only work when you take action. Today you have the opportunity to start developing the habits, knowledge, and mindset that will set you apart. Reflect on these 10 reasons, identify what applies to your life, and begin making the necessary changes. Financial freedom isn't just about earning more, it's about living smart, staying disciplined, and learning relentlessly. If Warren Buffett can achieve what he has with simple principles, so can you. Let this be the beginning of your journey toward a brighter, more empowered financial future. Now, it's your turn to take the first step. What will you do today to bring your financial goals one step closer?